Hello everyone. In today's video, we are going to set up a communication between node-red and a Modbus TCP simulator. This is a crucial skill for anyone looking to test industrial IoT workflow without physical PLC hardware. We'll cover how to install the Modbus node, configure the connection, and read our first setup register. Let's start. Okay, first we should use Modbus TCP. Here, we should install Modbus TCP node. Go to the manager plate. Go to install. Search Modbus. You can find here node-red-contrib-modbus. I install already, okay? We don't need this one. Install again. So then we need a read node. Modbus-Read put here. After that, need debug. Okay. First, we should use a simulator. First one, First one, use Modbus simulator 32. Okay, this one. New one, we choose is address 0. First one. Okay, here is 5. Okay, in connection. Modbus, remember here use 502, okay, 502 port connection, okay, is connect. Then go to here. Modbus-Read is Modbus TCP1, okay, is FC. We should read the holding register in this one. Holding register. Address. First one is 0. Its quantity is 5. Its second, we use 1 second. Okay. It's here. Service is TCP, Modbus TCP. TCP1. Okay, this type is TCP. Is host 127.0.01. Okay, 502 here. 502. Okay. Yeah, 502, okay. Connection. Add. Here is Modbus TCP, okay. 1 second, 50 is ID. ID is 1. Doesn't matter. Here's ID is 1, okay. Connection. Deploy. Okay, sorry. We should vary. Look. Here is already. So this one, debug. We go to node status 32 seconds. Oh, correct. Deploy. Okay. Now we can use number is the 23, 34, 67 is 987. Last one, we can use alt simulation. Okay, enable, start. Look here, 45. Yeah, that's working. Okay, this one is mod sim 32. Next, we can continue use other simulation. This one, Modbus slave. This we still the similar. Modbus. Then debug, connection, configure Modbus. Okay, TCP is FC is read holding state. Is 0 first one. Is 2. Is second. Is 1 second. Okay. Add is 192.168.0.1. Okay. Should be similar. This one. 192.160.0.503. Okay. 503. That's it. Here. Okay. Modbus TCP 192.503. Okay. Done. Nice. There it's working. Oh, here's working. So we can. Oh, sorry. In here, debug. We should. In here. Okay. Still. Close. You can see here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh no, this one. This one. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. Okay. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Not big. A09. 654. That's it. Okay. Yeah. Today just show you how to set up Modbus TCP simulate to the node-red. We can use Modbus TCP simulator to troubleshoot this system. Okay. Thank you very much.